Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2004. Let me read out the question. If 73 base x is equal to 54 base y, the possible values of x and y are. They are asking the base value x and base value y are, and they have given 4 options. Let me discuss what is the right answer for it. So we will solve this question. They are saying that 73 base x is equal to 54 base y. If I do a conversion, I will get 3 into x power 0 plus 7 into x power 1 is equal to 4 into y power 0 plus 5 into y power 1. If I simplify it, I will get 7x plus 3 is equal to 5y plus 4. Is it clear? Because 3 into x power 0 is 3 into, see, x power 0 is 1. So 3 into 1, you will get 3. Similarly, 4 into y power 0. Y power 0 is 1, so you will get 4. So if I simplify it further, 7x minus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? If I simplify it, 7x minus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. So they have given options, x value, y value, 4 options they are given. So we can simply substitute them and we will find which is the right answer. So let me substitute the option A. Option A has given the x value is 8, y value is 16. Let me do it. So 7x is 56, 7 into 8 is 56, minus 5 into 60 is nothing but 80. 15 into 60 means 5 into 16 is 16 5 is 80. Okay, 30, 80. You will get 16 5 80. So minus 1. If I do it, I will not get 0. Am I right or wrong? This is not equal to 0. So this x and y value 8 and 6 is not correct. So we will eliminate the option A. Now we will substitute the option B. What is the option B? X value they have given 10. So 7 into x I will get 70. Y value they have given 12. So 5 into 12 I will get 60. If I do it, I will get what? 70 minus 61 I will get 9, which is not equivalent to 0. So even option B is also not correct. We will substitute the option C. Okay, we will check whether it is option C is correct or not. Now 7 into 9 minus 5 into 13 minus 1, they are saying is equal to 0. We will check it whether it is equal to 0. 7 9s is 63. Okay, minus 13 5s. Okay, 13 5s how much? 15, 65. So you will get 65. 63 minus 65 minus 2, you will get minus 3, which is not equal to 0. So even option C is also wrong. We will see the option D, whether it is right or wrong. Okay, 7 into 8, you will get 56. 5 into 11, you will get 55 minus 1. So 56 minus 56 is equal to 0. So the option D is the right answer for this question. Okay, so option D is the right answer for this question. If you have any doubts related to this video, feel free to ask it in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.